program that was here was very successful, agreed? So we get a very successful buy program there, and that looks good. And then we see this sell program coming in, and we seem to get a successful sell program. That looks good. The challenge we've got with that sell program is on this one here. Because on that one there, the value's gone bid again. So straight away, you're looking at that sell program and saying, that's my trigger to buy into this. I think that's a nice buying opportunity. And you get a nice buy-side pop and everything looks great. Now, a buy program comes in here in line with value, but it doesn't go anywhere. And you're probably scratching your head at that. You're saying, I don't quite understand why that took place. And then another buy program came in here with very big value. And again, it doesn't go anywhere. In fact, on the contrary, the buy program is at lower prices. So we already identified this morning that that's a sell trigger, did we not? Yes or no? For our structural sell, did we all agree that that would give us a sell trigger? And we started to think about that auction. And as far as a setup is concerned, did we also agree, and I don't see anybody, yeah, Amin's agreeing. Thank you, Amin. Just as well you're here, otherwise I'd be losing my mind. And we also agreed, or myself and Amin agreed, that if I then get a failed auction in the background, this becomes an intern sell. And then we got another little pivot here, which became a paycheck sell. And that would have given you the perfect, what we called the hidden sell trade. That would give us the hidden sell trade. Did that hidden sell trade turn out to be the sell program? Did you end up finding the sell program in line with that red market background? You see that hidden sell trade there? That's the benchmark sell trade that we were talking about, yeah? Is that not exactly, I mean, the benchmark sell trade that we talked about? It's exactly the benchmark sell trade that we talked about. The hidden short sell. In fact, so much so that if we go back to that conversation we had even this morning when we started in the US session, is that not that sell trade there and there that we highlighted in an earlier conversation? When we talked about the hidden sell trade in line with the structure. This hidden sell trade here and this hidden sell trade here. Is that not the same as that hidden sell trade there? Yes, it is. It's identical. And at the same time, the short-term value agrees. And then we got that break. That was worth $800 just to that screenshot right there. $800 per contract. We talked about building this one setup to 5 lots, and that would have been a $4,000 profit there over the course of 60 seconds. 5 grand. Just one trade setup in line with the hidden auction. Now, you might be able to recognize if you just zoom your eyes to the left-hand side just a little bit, you'll see the exact opposite for a buy trade. There was a hidden buy trade in line with a seller's auction that never went anywhere. Okay? There's the sell program that never went anywhere. Yeah? There's the failed auctions. There's the value line going bid. There's the hidden auction right there. There's the hidden auction because there's the paycheck now. That becomes paycheck there. And that becomes your inside pivot right there. And that becomes the hidden buy trade that turns into a buy program. You see that? That there is the mirror image of that there. And that trade went from 28s to a high price of 48s for $400 a contract. And that trade took approximately 60 seconds. Same amount of time, 60 seconds to make $400. 60 seconds to make $800. That's $1,200 of banker trades that we covered in this morning's classroom. $1,200 in total profits per contract based on the banker setup that we taught this morning in classroom. And do you know how many people probably traded it after we taught it? Maybe one. Everybody else just goes back to the same old, same old. And they wonder why they're not making the breakthroughs, because they're not using the stuff we're teaching. If this is what we're teaching, why are you not then using it? Does it not make any sense to you? Do you not understand it? Do you disagree with it? I don't see anybody disagreeing with the trade setup. So you can't disagree with it. Do you just not think it's very good? Do you think you're doing a lot better than that setup, in other words? If you think you're doing a lot better, good. I like the fact you're doing a lot better than the setup. But if you're not doing better than the setup, why are you not doing the setup? I don't understand that. That to me is the definition of madness. I think that's Einstein's definition of madness as well, is it not? If you keep doing the same shit and you expect different results, what the hell are you still doing the same shit for? I think that was his words exactly as well. He had an Austrian accent, of course, but that's okay. But I'm sure that's what Einstein said. Crazy, crazy, crazy. He loves a bit of crazies.